Good morning, and you are joining us at a beautiful day in Wiltshire. Lots of blue skies, and Daisy and I are off out for the day. Now, Daisy and I are going somewhere today that is very, very close to our hearts. And also, we are taking advantage of our newly purchased Merlin passes. So, Daisy and I are off to Thorpe Park. Now, Thorpe Park is very special to us for a couple of reasons. One of those reasons is it's where Daisy did her first roller coaster basic training. So this was about 5 years ago. We took her there for the day so she could get used to the roller coasters before we went off to Florida. So I think the first roller coaster Daisy did might have been Swarm. Yeah. And the other reason that Thorpe Park is so special to us is because we are from Thorpe. So I'm getting on a bit now, but I went to Thorpe Primary School. The children grew up half a mile from Thorpe Park, from our family home in the garden. You could hear the screaming. So yeah, Thorpe Park is really, really special to us. I used to go to Thorpe Park when it was first opened. My dad used to take me and my sister there. So this is back in the day before a lot of the rides, obviously. The pyramids were there, the Viking ships were there, the Bronco bikes were there, the roller dome was there, Magic Mill was there. Thorpe Park used to have the most incredible ghost train, very, very similar to Haunted Mansion at at Magic Kingdom. So yeah, we've not been there in about 5 years. We've got the Merlin passes, the sun's out, we're off to Thorpe Park. So we had a great run down, the sun is still out. How are you feeling?
I've seen Stealth and Dad wants me to go on it, I'm a bit scared.
I really want to do Stealth.
No you don't, no one really wants to do it.
So we're going to head on in.
Okay, I'm scared.
We're just heading through Island Security for a bag search. This is new. Well, when I say new, how long ago were we here?
I don't know, I'm getting confused with all the tape.
There's too much tape. All through bag check, nice and easy, lovely service.
Yeah.
Now we are heading in. So we got Merlin passes through, nice and easy. This is all really nice. And there's a map of the park. You ready to head on in?
Ready.
As it's Halloween time, we've got all these scary looking flowers out. So I think they've got the Fright Nights here. So as you walk out the dome, here's a big look at the park. The great thing about Thorpe Park is everything's nice and close together, so you're not going to be putting like a whole bunch of miles in. How are you feeling?
Really nervous.
I think what we'll do is try and find a wait time board, see what the wait times are, hit some rides. I love all the pipe music, it's very atmospheric. Looks lovely.
They have a Walking Dead ride. Is that new?
I don't know.
We haven't been in a long time.
We have not been in a long time. That looks horrible. What do you fancy? Fancy going that one? It's pretty crazy that you can get so close to the roller coaster here. That's literally just the track where Daisy's head is. There's a really good look at Saw. I like that ride.
It's like Rocket, but I don't know why I'm so scared of it.
I'm not a massive fan of the theming on it, but it is a great ride.
Colours, I think, because when you see Rocket, you're like, oh, yellow and red, oh, that's fun, I'm definitely getting on that, and I'm like, no. So
we decided Saw's going to be first up for today. How you feeling? 35-minute wait, you up for that? There was a really big bang just went off. Daisy and I properly jumped. How are you feeling, Daisy? So we just did it. We didn't film too much inside, so it's not overly cheersy, wholesome. But what do you think?
It was actually really good. I mean, I've done it before, but like, it was a lot shorter than I remembered. And like, the big drop isn't even that bad. It's the first drop, which is freaky, but then it's done, and then the second one's fine.
That's a proper grown-up ride. Yeah, really, really good. Because it's on such like a short foot, such a small footprint, really whips you around. Really enjoyed that. That was great. So we're heading into the area where Loggers Leap used to be, because apparently that's all coming down and being replaced. So let's see what it's like over there. Aww.
All the memes.
I think this must be some of the Horror Night stuff that they've got on. Creek Freak Massacre.
Fright Night.
Fright Nights. What do you think, Daiso? I think that might spin me out a bit. And that's the site where Loggers Leap was, but nothing to be seen. Bit of hoarding up, trees out, can't see.
One of the old boats.
Huh?
One of the old boats, like a little like.
Ah, like a little planter, like a little nod. Yeah, well spotted, Daiso. This is one of the old logs from the ride, which they've repurposed into a lovely planter. Nice flowers, Daisy. I do like a bit of foliage. But yeah, you can't really see anything for the new ride, but love a water ride. Got a bit of an arcade on the go. Daisy's grabbed the water. Got a coffee. Got a bit of a chocolate fountain. That chocolate fountain looks amazing.
The loveliest things to look at.
It's one of the places you can get some food. Nice bit of cover. Looks like mainly hot dogs and nachos and stuff in there. Lovely day though. So this is the Derren Brown's ghost train bit. I've never done this. I don't really know much about it. But the building's impressive. However, someone's not up for it.
I'm not old enough.
So I think we might do this one on another trip.
Yeah,
The building does look really impressive. I think we'll do that one on another time. Because Thorpe Park's on quite a small footprint, you are really, really in and amongst all of the rides. So this is Nemesis Inferno, and it's just like all around you, which is really, really cool. What do you think, Daiso? Gotta love a rapid ride. We're on that next. You ready?
Yes.
Got your poncho?
Yes.
Heading on in. Rumba Rapids. Rumba Rapids done. Very nice because it's a walk on. What do you think?
Yeah, it was good, didn't get wet.
Yeah, Daisy's having a bit of a panic because what don't you want to do?
I don't want to do stealth.
Yeah, but I really want to do stealth. So we've decided if
No one really wants to do it.
if it's less than a 30-minute wait, we're going to do it.
No comment.
So this area here is lots of all the food and eateries. There's a Burger King and a Mexican and pizza and pasta. Gotta say, Daisy, smells nice.
It does smell really good.
Might have to get something to nom on in a minute.
Maybe.
Gotta love the teacups. So we're heading into Stealth. This whole area is really nice. I love the theming on this bit. So, 30 minutes or under. 35 minutes.
No.
So a deal's a deal. I'm going to do it next time we're here with Luke, but I was just saying to Daisy, that is the only ride that when I'm actually strapped in, ready to go, I think, what am I doing?
It makes me feel sick when thinking about it. I can't.
I love it. Nice. So we've got some Angry Birds bumper cars. So there's a look at Detonator. That really takes you up. This whole area does look really nice. This is obviously all the Angry Birds bits. I do like all the theming around here. It's all done. Yeah, the music's great. And there is Tidal Wave. You get absolutely soaked on that. Right, I think the plan is to head over to Swarm. Nice shark, just checking into the Amity Hotel. So here's a look at tidal wave coming down. You want to see the splash on this. There's a flying fish, super little coaster for the little uns. It's right up your street. It's going straight in your basket. So we're heading into Swarm, probably my favourite themed area in the park. I think it looks great, so I'll show you in a sec. I like this bit, Days.
I love this bit, it's really cool.
So we're going to give you a bit of a pan round on this area for Swarm, because it is brilliant. Oh, looks like Mum's been out again. Love the attention to detail in this bit. This is my favourite part of the park, to be honest. Really, really cool, really, really current. Some sort of bad stuff has definitely gone down here. What's the wait time?
15 minutes.
Where's that going?
Right in my basket. No, it's going in my Waitrose Tribe. I mean...
That's Swarm done. I haven't ridden Swarm in about 5 years, and I have totally forgotten what an epic ride that is. What do you think?
It's so good. It's really smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing. And also the harnesses are actually quite comfy.
Seats are super comfy, ride's super brilliant. That's one of the best coasters I've ridden in a long time.
Really?
Yeah, I loved it.
Yeah, it was great.
Free sunscreen. It's everywhere. Stay protected.
Stay safe.
The theming here is really good. I really like this area. It's probably really busy throughout the year because it's always so hot. Yeah, so like a paddling area. Yeah, it's lovely. Well, that's it.
That's it.
That was a brilliant morning at Thorpe Park.
No, it's really cool.
Yeah, really, really cool. As we said earlier, we haven't been there for a long time. Today was just really a quick mooch about and get our bearings. Not a lot's changed. Move my thing. Not a lot has changed since we were last there, which we've worked out was about 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. But, couple of big highlights. Saw is brilliant.
It's really creepy.
It's not really, you know, with our channel and our Disney stuff, we're not massive into creepy horror stuff, which is why we didn't film a lot inside it.
Yeah.
Because it is a bit grown up and a bit creepy. But the ride itself is
really good.
really good. But the highlight for me, Swarm. Jinx.
Jinx again.
Swarm is unbelievable. I don't remember it being that good. Big plus for me. I didn't get motion sick on it at all. I felt brilliant on it.
You did look motion sick for a bit. He said he was trying to figure out whether he felt sick or not, and I was like, how's that a thing?
Yeah, halfway around I was just like, am I okay? But yeah, I was okay. But the I've always loved the theming in that area. It looks awesome. It's all sort of zombie apocalypse, and you can one of the fire trucks just smoke and fire came out. That was really cool. 15-minute wait, which was also awesome. Yeah, it was really great. Yeah, I loved that ride.
Yeah, really good ride.
So super productive. Also, now that we've got the Merlin passes, we'll be coming back here again. Probably going to bring Luke and Tracy on the next trip so we can go on a few more bits. But that was a great day.
Really good.
Hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe for future content. And that's it from us. Cheers.